Hey guys, thanks for watching. Yeah, so we had a bit of an eventful start to the trip.
Things didn't go to plan.
Yeah, we had to stop at the weigh scale, and you'll see what happened there. And also had a few things go wrong with the caravan, etc. But yeah, when we got up to here, it was really cold and rainy. Well, yeah, it wasn't the best start, but things are looking up pretty good now. Weather's beautiful now, so we're stoked. So first stop up here is Hervey Bay. We're here for about 5 days, I think it is, or yeah, 5 days. And when we go next.
So we're going to Gladstone next. We're going to stay with my family up there, and that'll give us some time to fix a lot of the issues that we have, and just get things like resorted and reorganised and get us ready to go again. So how are you feeling about it all fitting in? Do you reckon it's all going to fit in the back?
Yeah, I think we're going to get most of it in so far. It's pretty good.
How much was left to go in the back?
I don't know.
It's looking pretty full.
Yeah, it's getting pretty full.
You can't close it.
Can't close it?
You can't.
No.
Oh, there.
I hope it shuts, hey?
Oh, there.
Close it up?
Yeah.
Alright, morning of. It's been years in the making, this trip. We want to do this for years now. So, this morning we're leaving, heading off to travel around Australia. Yeah, you're right. Parents are coming for the first part of the trip, they're just heading off now. You're all good? So, yeah, I just got to hook the car on. Basically, I've almost got everything packed away. Managed to fit the entire 4-bedroom house into our little caravan. So that was pretty good. Did a pretty good job there, I think. So I got the caravan set up. We're just trying to weigh the axle weight and the drawbar weight. So I had to separate it on different parts of the scale. So it looks like I was pretty close, 1540 kilos. Looks like we're 90 kilos over on the axle weight, because we're only meant to have 1450 kilos axle weight, but we got like 1540.
And we don't have much food in the caravan.
Yeah, that's without the food in there, so we have to try and pull like
100 kilos
100 kilos out of the weight.
Oh my god.
Yes, I'm just dumping out the water, that's 60 kilos. We put this gas bowl in the back of the ute, that's probably another 15 kilos. That's 75 kilos, that's pretty good so far. Yeah, that's good.
And we'll have to sort something better out for later, because we can't just never have...
a fair bit of weight out of the front here, I think.
We can't just never have water.
Right, so we just pulled over at the servo and pulled out as much things out of the van as we think we could for now. So we had to pull, just go through everything and put whatever we can in the back of the ute. So I emptied all the water out as well, so that'll drop 60 kilos just with the water. I reckon we probably moved about 30 or 40 kilos of other stuff out of the van to the back of the ute. So I think we should be alright now, for now, but we're going to have to do another cull when we get to Hervey Bay. So yeah, we didn't realise like how much overweight it'd be. I thought it'd be underweight, but turns out we're over, so. Alright, so this is our first morning at Hervey Bay. We had a lot of dramas last night, so I didn't do much filming. We ended up getting here just before dark, and the people ring up saying, oh, you gotta hurry up and get here before dark, otherwise he can't let you in, all this crap. So we eventually got here like, I don't know, 5 minutes before they closed. And they're like, oh, okay, we can let you in. Yeah, so they helped us reverse in the site, and then they said, oh, we need to check to see if you got a shower. We're like, we don't have a shower. And they're like, oh, you can't stay here. We're like, oh, are you joking? Like, so we had to go move to a different campground. This is where we are now. And set up in dark last night, which is pretty average. And so everyone was kind of like in a shitty mood. I woke up like 3 in the morning and realised the fridge wasn't running. Like, what the hell's going on here? So, yeah, it turns out the BMS system on the battery seems to have failed. So it's showing the wrong voltages for 2 of the cells. So it thinks the battery cells are wrong, but they're actually fine. When I checked them individually with the voltage meter. So that's another thing we're going to replace now. day down here today now. It was like freezing and rainy the last couple of days. But now, today's turned out to be beautiful. Look at it. Stoked. Yeah, so we had a few dramas with the caravan, so we're going to order a few things and get that sorted out in Gladstone next week. Just a couple of water leaks and a new BMS for the battery, which is annoying, along with a few other bits and pieces. I'm going to get a canopy for the ute because it's just going to be a lot easier rather than having like a soft tonner on the top. We've got so much stuff, we had to, because the caravan was overweight, we have to try and pull stuff out of that, and the ute's too full. Did you? You put the foot on the wrong way? Oh, I'll have to fix that up for you, eh? So nice down here this afternoon. Nice and cool, but not a breath of wind.
More for it, Daddy.
Where's the boat for it? It's in my pocket.
Where's it's not in your pocket.
Yeah, it is. It's in my pocket.
Oh, it is. Oh, I was a bit of this.
What? Bloody pufferfish. Those guys love them. Another one, that was just big, wasn't it?
That's how I'm going to catch funny fish.
Are you? You're going to catch a funny one, are you?
I want to catch the dancing one.
You want to catch a dancing fish?
I'm not going to catch it.
You're not?
No.
Why not?
So I don't want to catch it.
Oh, you don't? You just want to pretend to catch it?
I got my one.
Oh, you got your fish.
Right?
So this is our last night here. Just getting some fish and chips. Down at Madigan Seafood. Apparently it's pretty good. Bloody, these birds are so noisy. See them up in the tree there. Thousands of them. Super noisy. I'm going to take their fish and chips down the beach and watch the sunset. That should be good.
Fish and chips.
Do you like fish and chips?
Yeah, I do.
So Erin and River just set up the chairs down on the beach here. Got the fish and chips with me. Check out this. Beautiful. Yeah, mate? You what? Did you? Oh. What a nice sunset. Keen for a feed, River? You hungry?
Yeah.
Yeah, check out the sunset. Very nice. Very nice afternoon on the beach, having some fish and chips.
Damn it. Okay. I'm throwing this. That one.
So still down here tonight. not a breath of wind. Sky is just beautiful red. Sunset. Hear the waves crashing. Hear those lorikeets in the background. Had our feed with fish and chips. Pretty good. Get used to having this every night.